Alright guys, we're getting set up right now to fly our drone. We got the DJI Avata 2 chilling right here. Yes, Jurassic Park themed. Love it. And then we're going to be using first person goggles. What you just saw there, guys, was awesome. I've never seen anything like that with those rock crevices. I couldn't go deep into them. I was starting to lose a little bit of, let's say, RC on it. So basically, I just stayed out of it. And I wanted to go a lot deeper in there, but I just couldn't. But that's okay, you know. I mean, this is basically where we're at right here. And that was the ridge line that we were kind of flying down that way. The mountains in the background was great. You could see all the fall colors. Everything was beautiful and gorgeous today. I just couldn't pick a better spot, better place to pull off the road and do this. You know, this is a great thing to do here. But yeah, don't forget to click that subscribe button, click like, you know, follow us. We're going to be doing a lot more adventures, and I appreciate you guys.